Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to do Google verification. We are going to answer multiple questions related to Google Business Profile verification. For example, what Google Business Profile verification is, why it is important, how to do it, what are the options available for verification, how do we choose which option we should be selecting. Not only that, we would also be directly looking on the screen. We should be creating the Google business file so that we can select verification of our own choice. Without any further delay, let's start. See what Google business profile verification is and why it is important. There are multiple identity card of ours, right? Like voter ID, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport. But if I ask you a question, like which one is the most important out of all this and which one is the most valid, which can work even outside of India? What will be your answer? Obviously passport, right? Very, very simple. The reason is that passport is something which is very, very valid across the world. It is accepted identity proof. This is the only identity card where police verification is important. Like without police verification, you cannot get your identity card, passport. Rigid or multi-level verification method is there. The more authentic that document becomes, right? And that is how passport becomes very authentic. In the similar way, there are so many other social media platforms or search engine, etc. But Google business profile has to be verified first. Without Google business profile verification, it will not be visible on the web. Now, here's the problem. Here's the challenge which people has faced in the past. For example, once I'm sharing my experience. Once I just searched Domino's near me, okay, and I went. I was just navigating. I just clicked on the direction. I went there. Once I reached there, there was no Domino's. There was a residential area. I was like, man, what is this? If the proper verification is not in place, then one person can create 1000 Google business file, because obviously this is very powerful tool at the moment, right? That's the reason Google ensure that only the valid business profile gets live. Okay, so if there's a Domino's at one place, only that Domino's center should be visible on Google, not the other one, right? And that is the reason verification is required. So you understood why verification is required, right? What verification is? It's very simple. When you're going and creating the Google business file, you need to ensure that your business Google business file gets verified. The question is, what are the verification methods available? Verification methods which Google gives you as an option. So let's understand what are them. There are 5 verification methods. Number 1, phone. Through phone, you can get code as a text or can get a call and then they will tell you the code. Okay, so that's the number 1. Number 2, email. So on the email ID, you can get the verification done. Now, here's the trick. It's not your Gmail ID. It's the email ID attached to your domain name. I mean, when I say domain name, for example, my website name is digitaldhanu.com. So my email ID would be contact@digitaldhanu.com. Similarly, or it can be like info@digitaldhanu.com or md@digitaldhanu.com. So ideally, that email ID has to be professional one where it is attached directly to your domain name. Now, so you got the 2 things, phone, then email, then the third one. Third one, most of you know, right? It's a postcard. So we request a postcard, it comes to our address. Once we get that code, once we open, we get, I think, 5-digit code. We just put that code and then profile gets verified. Fourth one is video verification. I'm going to explain you the detail about the video verification, how that video verification happens. Last one, the 5th one is live verification. It's just like if you go to get the account created nowadays, account created in AU Bank, some representative will call you, you'll be sitting and will be showing you your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your other proofs, your own picture. You will be on video call. Other representative will be from the other side. He or she will be asking few questions, and then you'll answer. Verification done. Similarly, Google is also having the similar kind of verification that we call it is a live video verification. What happens in live video verification? In live video verification, it's very simple. A representative will call you on the video and you need to showcase your business area, the signage boards, the outside area, inside area, sitting area, and everything. So that is how the video verification work, live video verification works. So these are the five. Question is, which one is the fastest one? Whatever the verification method which I just told you, is that something with digital Dhanu is only saying? Don't worry, I'm going to show you live what exactly. So how to verify your Google business profile? That is what exactly Google is saying. So there are four verification method which they have suggested. I have just expanded. So these are the one: phone or text, email, video recording, live video verification, live video call, and postcard. These are the five. Now let's go with ahead with the text. In text, obviously it's very simple. Okay, so to get your verification code, make sure you can directly answer your business phone number or receive text. So please ensure whatever the phone number which you are giving, ensure that proper recharge is there so that you can have that incoming calls or you can receive the message. If you give a phone number where there is no recharge, there is no incoming call, how will you get the text, man? So do that. Ensure that the phone number is valid. Okay. Most of the time we select for the text so that we receive the text and put it. So that's the first verification method. What is the second? Second verification method is the email ID. Now, as I explained, the email ID has to be a professional email ID attached to your domain name. For example, contact@digitaldhanu.com. Okay. Then the third one is video recording. When you're doing the video recording, understand the fundamentals. The first thing, whenever you are doing that video recording, you need to ensure you capture these three things. First, your current location. So whatever the location which you have given into the Google business file while creating, ensure that you are doing it from that location only. Business or equipment. Whenever you are recording, you should record the complete business equipment thing. Number three, proof of management. Like you should be showing that you are the correct owner of this business. Okay, so this video verification has to be done on your mobile device. Okay, it cannot be done on the desktop. And then similarly, live video call. You know that live video call, our representative will be there and you have to do the similar thing on the live video call. And next one is postcard. Postcard, you know, once you receive the postcard. Okay, so once you have requested the postcard, ensure that you please wait for 14 days. That's number one. But just after requesting the postcard, if you're just simply waiting for the postman to share you the postcard, most of the time it doesn't come. And most of the people face this issue that they have requested for the postcard but they never received. There can be multiple reasons for that, but few highlighted reasons and common reasons are their address are not so clear, so postman is not able to find you like where to deliver. Second thing, it came to the post office, nearest post office, but the postman has not delivered to you. They might have returned and they have not delivered it. Okay, so it's always good that the moment you request for the postcard, you go to the nearest post office where you are expecting and talk to the postman. Okay, you talk to the postman, request him. Even if you give something to him in exchange, you understand, like if you can give 50 100 rupees to them, it's not advisable, but that is how it works, to be honest. These are the things. And then there is another one called instant verification method. And what Google saying, that rarely we can immediately confirm that a specific Google account owns a specific business profile. A specific Google business file can be instantly verified. And what it suggests, before you, if you go and create the Google business file, it's always good to have a website first, and always good to have that your website is connected to the search console so that most of your data are already indexed into the Google database. So first you do this and ensure that all the details like your business name, your address, your phone number, all these things are properly already populated into the Google database. Sometimes if Google is already having information about your business into their database, they understand that okay, this is something which is very authentic business, they immediately verify it. Okay, so this is the way we do the immediate verification process. So let me show you a few of the things. I have an account. How does it look like? So for example, if you just create the Google business file, this is how it will be looking like. Customers can't see your business information get verified. So clearly, unless and until your Google business profile is not verified, it will not be visible on Google search. So let me show you few of the accounts, which if I just go and type my business, where I do it for testing, yeah, and manage multiple profiles. Now I'm going to explain how the video verification work. What are the method, what are the pointers through which video verification is completed, and what are the preconditions, what are the conditions, what are the criteria through which video verification is done. Okay, so let's go. If I go and click verified, the first one, it's asking for please enter your postal address to verify. I'm just putting, let's suppose, go next. There are multiple verification method which we are getting here. Okay, we have I was trying to create this just for the test purpose. There's one called phone code, then email, then video verification. I'll go one by one and will show you how that looks like. So if I go next with the phone, I have a two option. One is text message, another is call. Whatever the things which if I click for the next, for the text message will come. If I go for the call will come. Okay. So that is how we do. Sorted. And if I go with the email, then it's clearly saying that whatever the website which I have given in past while creating the Google business file, the same email ID, I mean the connected email ID of the domain name should be there. Okay, so this has to be very, very clear. You need to be very, very clear with this particular. Okay, so contact@digitalthreadno.com, and then you can go next and you'll receive the code. So how do we do video verification? Let's understand carefully. What are the prerequisites of video verification? What are the requirements? What exactly we should be putting into the video verification? How many minutes we need to capture the video? Everything I'm going to show you. So I'm just going next and understand this. What Google is saying, that you capture these three things. One, the location. Second, business name and category name should be matching with the business profile. And third one is you are the authorized representative of the business. How do you prove it? So to prove the location, anyway, when you are clicking the video verification, Google will ask you the permission to take the location, and it will take the latitude and longitude, and it will verify whatever the business address which you have given while creating the Google business file, like in the last step, is this the same or not? Yeah, so business address must have to be the correct one. That is number one criteria. Number two criteria is that your business name and category should, for example, business exterior and interior product or equipment, all should match with what you say. Okay, for example, if you're a salon business, while doing the video verification, you ensure that the salon equipment are there, the chair is there, the glasses are there, then all the equipments related to salon are there, right? That is how you prove that you're a valid business. Then the third one, like you are able to unlock the shop interest, you are operating the payment tools, or proof of, you do have the proof of address, etc. Okay, so it's like once these three things in place, then tips for getting started. Before even you go and record the video, understand this. All these three things has to be recorded in one video. Okay, one video. It should not be three different videos. It must be one video. That is number one. Number two, take your time. Most successful videos are 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, most successful videos are 1 to 2 minutes. Video longer than 5 minutes won't be accepted. So ensure your videos are 1 to 2 minutes longer, not more than that. And then start from the outside and slowly come closer. Start from the outside, slowly come closer. Once you're doing it in this way, you are capturing the signage, the outside of areas, sidewise businesses, the street, which you can show that okay, it is situated in the street. Okay, and then go inside, showing that okay, you're opening it up, and then probably you can show that okay, I have all those equipments which is there, everything. Okay, so you capture in this way, and then you go and start recording. Now, here's the last thing which is very, very important for you to understand while you are doing the video verification. While doing the video verification, you cannot complete the video verification through the laptop. Okay, you need mobile phone. Now, to complete the video verification with the mobile phone, ensure that you are logged in with the same email ID which you have used to create the Google business file. For example, if I'm using gmb2.digitalthanu@gmail.com to create this Google business file, the phone through which I'm completing the verification, I'm trying to complete the verification, must have that email ID logged in already. Okay, so that the moment you capture it, you will select the verification of that email ID, and then you'll proceed with the video capturing. Once you capture the video, you upload it. Okay, the last thing which is important, this is very, very important. Nowadays, most of the people are doing all these things, right? Their video is not getting uploaded and it's getting stuck on 99%. What shall we do for that? I'm telling you the option. And trust me, guys, I'm whatever the thing which I'm telling you is totally which we have tried first and then I'm teaching you. Okay, so here's the thing. What you need to do, you need to raise a request to the Google support asking that I have tried it, but I'm getting stuck at 99% upload of the video and I'm not able to proceed further. I have tried it multiple times. So Google will give you another option of verification, and that will be live video verification, where a representative will be there. He will sit in front of you. I mean, he will not come on your physical address, but he will be online, and then you have to do the same thing, but then he will be live. You don't have to upload in that case because he will record, he will capture, and he would be having option to process or reject your video verification. If he finds whatever you are claiming related to your business, everything is same, then your video verification will be completed. There will not be any issue. Shorted. So this is how we do the video verification. Now, I have given you all the details around video verification, like how it looks like, etc. Right? What if I just show you how that work? So if I just go and let's say I'm creating a Google business file. So while how do we create a Google business file? Just go my business. Since I have multiple business, so I'll just go view all the businesses and then I can add a business profile from here. I'm just creating another business file. I'm just saying this as a abcdigitalthanu.com, and then I'm just putting the category as market researcher or anything. And do you want to add a location customer can visit like a shop or office? I'm saying no, I'm a service area business, so I don't want any location. Like then it's saying okay, where do you serve? Fine, I serve in Noida. Go ahead, and then here, if I put the number and not website and I go next, then it will give me only two options for verification. One is for phone number and another is the video verification. I can show you directly. And next, guys, see this. I did not get the email verification method because I do not have the website yet, or I did not put my website details. And that is one of the fastest method of getting the Google business profile verified. And this is the reason I say, please, please, please have your website first, have the professional email ID first, and then do that. If you can do that by yourself, do that. If you can't do that, you can reach out to us and we will help you out to get your Google business file created. Okay, so we do the website and everything if you need help, otherwise it's fine. Okay, so since now you only have two options, phone and video. Whenever you, most of the time, this is our experience, whenever we do the verification with the phone, you would get another, probably another thing to get the things verified. One verification will be phone, another verification can be a postcard. So that is how it works. Now, if I just don't do it, I'm just going back, putting the same thing. I'm just showing you like how that works. I just go with no, and then I say service area business, and then I say, okay, I'm doing that in Noida, going ahead, and then I'm putting my phone number and the website as well. For example, I'm just putting digitaldhanu.com. It again asks for the address. So it's saying, please enter your postal address to verify. The address you provide here will be hidden from the public, since I am post office boxes are not eligible. So since I have selected that I do not have any store, I'm a service area business, still it asks for verification, so that at least you let me know from where do you operate, right? So yeah, now here I go. You could see all these three verification method. If we go with phone number, we'll go phone number. If we go with the email, we go with the email. If you go with the video verification, we go with the video verification. If I go ahead with the phone number, these are the two options which I am getting. I can change the option here. So I don't want this. I can go with the email and next. Now here I can put info at the rate or contact at the rate or whatsoever at the rate digitaldhanu.com it should be. So it should be attached to the domain name. Whatever the website name which I have given previously, that should be there. And then if I don't want this, then I can go ahead with the video verification. And again, the same thing which I have just explained earlier in the video, that what are the things which are required. So this is how the complete Google business profile verification method work. Okay. Now, if you ask me which one is the most fastest one, as per experience, this is the one, email code. So it's always good to have website. So there are two combination, understand it, two combination which is working here. One, if you are having website, please connect that with the Google Search Console. If that is connected, then please ensure that you have a email ID attached to your domain name. For example, contact@digitaldhanu.com. Now, please also ensure that you send some emails to and fro from that professional email ID to ensure that you can receive email. Most of the time, few of the developers will just give you the email ID, or let's suppose if you just say that, okay, I have the website and I'm just putting that contact@digitaldhanu.com, where you'll get that email. You should have the webmail access, user ID and password to receive that code. So you must be ensuring that your email ID is already there and you can able to receive or send emails. Okay, so both these two combination are the deadliest combination to get the verification done fastest. Whatever the question which you'll ask, I'll create the video and post it there. Okay, because now we are going to post the videos on a very regular basis. Okay, you have not subscribed it, subscribe to get more such tips and tricks. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Whatever the topic which you want me to create the video next, just put that into the comment box. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.